Hello friends, welcome back to Nobita Creations. Today I am showing how to make homemade rasam powder and tomato rasam. For that we need 2 tablespoons of tur dal, 10 black pepper seeds and 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 15 to 20 fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 spoon of salt. We need to take tur dal and chana dal into a pan. We need to dry roast them for 2 to 3 minutes until they change the color. We need to stir them in between because to avoid from burning. After 2 to 3 minutes they changed slightly color, so we will transfer them into a plate. Next, we need to take coriander seeds and cumin seeds into a pan and we need to stir them occasionally and we need to dry roast them for 40 seconds. Now they roasted very well, so we will transfer to the plate. Next, we need to add black pepper seeds to the pan and we need to dry roast them for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, we need to transfer them into a plate. Next, we have to dry roast methi seeds or fenugreek seeds until they change the color. It takes at least 1 to 2 minutes. Now they changed the color, so we need to transfer these into the plate. All our ingredients are dry roasted. Now we need to let them cool for at least 5 to 10 minutes and then we will make as a rasam powder. Next, we will make tomato rasam with homemade rasam powder. For that you need 2 tomatoes chopped, some cumin and mustard seeds, some fresh coriander leaves, homemade rasam powder 1 spoon, half spoon of turmeric and 25 grams tamarind I soaked already. We need to take a pan on low flame. We need to add small teaspoon of oil. After oil heating, we need to add mustard and cumin seeds in it. Here I am showing how to remove tamarind pulp from tamarind soaked water. After you remove tamarind pulp, we will use this water to make tomato rasam. Once mustard seeds pop up, we need to add prepared tamarind water in it. Next, we need to add tomatoes in it. Let them cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes until the tomatoes turn soft. Tomatoes are softened. We need to add some water, some jaggery. We need to add turmeric, coriander and homemade rasam powder. And we need to stir it and let it cook at least 10 minutes. Then our homemade tomato rasam is ready to have. Now our homemade rasam is almost ready. I haven't added salt or chili powder because we already added chili powder and salt in our rasam powder. Once it is coming like bubbles like this, it should be indication rasam is ready. Now our homemade healthy tomato rasam is ready. This homemade healthy tomato rasam will help you with indigestion and cough and cold. Along with rice or along with upma, this rasam is very tasty. And thanks for watching Novita Creation. Please subscribe, like and share Novita Creations. Please recommend our channel to your friends. Please click the bell icon to get future video notifications from Novita Creations. Thanks. Bye. I will see you soon with another video.